On June 29, a new J-20 prototype with the serial number 2052 made its first flight at Chengdu Aircraft Corporation in China, newly powered by two WS-15 turbofan engines. This event was a major milestone for the WS-15 engine. The maiden flight of a J-20 airframe with two WS-15 engines marks a major developmental step toward entry into service, and occurred after progressing through a preceding development, testing, and testbed flight campaign. Furthermore, the specific J-20 airframe in this case is a new variant of the J-20 with its own external changes, as well as upgrades and new capabilities. The WS-15, also known as AME, is the primary power plant that the J-20 was always intended to field. The WS-15 provides higher thrust than the interim engines, and among other features will enable the J-20 to achieve even more impressive kinematic performance than it presently has. It will also enable consistent and true supercruise, supersonic speed without afterburners, further augmenting the aircraft's capability in its general air superiority role. The engine will feature a thrust-to-weight ratio of between 10 to 11. In addition to enhancing kinematic performance and enabling consistent supercruise, the WS-15 will also significantly enhance electrical power generation, enhance thermal management properties, and provide much greater long-term growth potential and redundancy. These features are important, as J-20 prototype 2052 is an example of a significantly enhanced J-20 variant that will feature major upgrades to subsystems and materials as well as displaying external changes. The prototype is anticipated to be the new mass-produced single-seat J-20 variant in the near future, powered by the WS-15. One notable feature not observed on the WS-15 seen on serial 2052 is thrust vectoring nozzles. However, they are expected to be installed on a future prototype powered by WS-15s. One explanation for its present omission is that the subsystem upgrades and new WS-15s already amount to significant enhancements, and thrust vector control would be an additional factor to test and verify on an already heavily upgraded airframe. Into the more distant future, it is likely that the WS-15 will see further upgrades and iterations, potentially including variants that will power the PLA's sixth-generation fighter program.